Hey guys, it's Scott at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this sign, this Christmas sign. I'm going to go in first and base coat the signs in the color putty. And then I'm going to go in with the color chocolate and base coat the pole that they're on. After that, I'm going to go in with the color cotton, and I'm going to base coat the fur on the Santa hat. And all these colors that I'm using are Dixie Belle chalk paint. You can check those out along with this cutout on our website, buildacross.com. I'm going in now with Honky Tonk Red, and I'm base coating the Santa hat. And then after I'm done base coating the hat, I'm going to allow everything to dry. And then I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and begin to outline everything. I'm also going to use my Sharpie marker to do some writing on my signs. And of course, you could swap this up and do this with vinyl if you wanted to, but I chose to just go in and write it with this marker because it does make it a lot easier. And now I'm going in and highlighting everything. I just highlighted the white on my Santa hat with Savannah Mist, and then I highlighted everything else with cotton, and I'm using a number 4 round paintbrush. And after that, I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day.